Let's face it, life is busy. Between meetings, deadlines, and countless tasks, we're all looking for ways to simplify our workload. But what if I told you there's a way to automate the small, tedious jobs so you can focus on the bigger picture? That's where smart technology comes in. More specifically, Yodeck, a digital signage management platform that saves time and effort whilst keeping everything running smoothly. But how exactly does it work? And why is automation the key to productivity? Stick around and I'll break it down for you. In today's world, technology isn't just for major breakthroughs, it's for streamlining everyday tasks. Think about it. Managing schedules, sending reminders, and updating digital content manually can be a huge drain on time. Imagine you're in charge of updating digital signage across multiple locations. You'd have to check each screen, upload content, and manually adjust schedules. It's a tedious process, but with the right platform, all of this can be handled automatically. A 2023 McKinsey & Company report found that businesses using automation reduce time spent on repetitive tasks by up to 40%. That means more time for strategic planning, creativity, and innovation. And that's exactly what Yodeck offers, a smart, automated solution to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So how does technology actually help with everyday tasks? Take digital signage, for example. Without automation, managing it is a constant hassle. Uploading content, adjusting schedules, and ensuring everything displays correctly. But Yodeck eliminates this stress by offering remote management. Control everything from everywhere. No need for on-site visits. Scheduling tools. Set everything up in advance and Yodeck executes it automatically. Automated updates. No need to manually adjust content. Yodeck updates itself. Once it's set up, Yodeck runs on its own, freeing you up to focus on what really matters. Not all digital signage solutions are created equally. Some tools add more complexity instead of simplifying things. That's why it's crucial to pick a platform that's both effective and easy to use. Yodeck stands out because it's scalable. Whether you manage 10 or 10,000 screens, Yodeck grows with you. User-friendly. No technical expertise are needed to use Yodeck. Efficient. Yodeck handles all updates and scheduling automatically. It's a game changer for businesses looking to save time, reduce stress, and improve efficiency. No more micromanaging. No more wasted time. Just smooth, stress-free digital signage. If you're tired of wasting time on manual tasks and want a smarter, easier way to manage your digital signage, then Yodeck is the solution that you need. With automation, you take control of your time while your signage takes care of itself. Ready to simplify your workflow? Get started for free at yodeck.com.